Welcome back, guys. This video will be very short, just a quick update on Senseonics or SENS stock, on the news that came out and what to expect next as investors, as well as what I am doing with the stock. So as you have probably saw, the promised study results news came out on Friday. As I said in my previous video from 2 weeks ago, when the price was below $2 and when I was telling you it's a buy. But yeah, as expected, the news boosted up the stock price, and then there was a small sell-off. But again, yesterday we had a run in the stock price because the stock was added to the Russell 2000 index and the Russell Microcap index. Now, this wasn't just some news pump. This carried a lot more importance because these news are actually huge for the future of the company. Not only that it beats Dexcom, their biggest competitor, well, let's actually compare it quick. So MRAD, which is the smaller percentage, the better, is 9.1 for the primary sensor and 8.5 for the secondary one. And for the Dexcom, we can see the MRAD is 9, so their secondary sensor beat them by 0.5%, which is very good. Next are these 20% agreement rate, which Dexcom has 93.9 and SENS delivered 92.9 for the primary and 93.9 for the secondary, so they're about the same in here. Also, there are these other numbers. I'm not really familiar with that. I'm not really a doctor or something like that. So if you want to check that out, the Dr. Dean, that's the name of his channel, he explains it well on from the doctor side, from the doctor's view, what does this actually mean. But I'm covering this more as an investor and what we as investors are looking for. And so let's look at it this way. Dexcom stock is about 30 times SENS. Yet SENS has, in my opinion, a better product. So SENS doesn't even have to beat Dexcom. It's enough to get only half of their size, which I believe will be much more than half. But the half will bring us 15 times return on the stock. And I honestly see it almost impossible not to get to at least half Dexcom's size with such a great product and accuracy. So all of you who bought over 340 on this Russell news or are a holder from before, even over 4 or 5, you shouldn't feel uncomfortable. I honestly think your money is in good hands, and now this is what I did. So both of the times I sold the news, I sold at 308, and then yesterday I also did not expect the Russell news to come out, but I saw the price was trading in this symmetrical triangle and I knew it was gonna break out bullish, so I bought at here at the breakout 303. I didn't even know about the news, but then I heard the news and I was confident enough to hold it to 335, just below this resistance. So now I'm waiting for a bit of a pullback to get back in. It's just as I always tell you, I like more short-term profit. It doesn't mean I don't believe in company or something like that. I will buy back in. Just I knew it's gonna pull back slightly after such a run. It's obvious. I mean, of course, that doesn't have to happen. I can miss out huge now. I could miss out huge, but basically, guys, I'm thinking the same as I always tell you in my SENS videos, and that's that we need this approval, the 180-day approval, to kickstart the growth, because that's what's really gonna boost the sales in the US. So I'm waiting for the FDA approval, which will most likely be in third quarter. I will probably sell the news again because it will boost the stock price very high, and I like more short-term profit, but I'm getting back in after the hypes fades a little bit to hold for future. So as you can hear, I'm still bullish, waiting for the FDA, and that's it, guys. I hope you found this useful. If you did, I would appreciate if you hit the like for me, and also check the description and the end screen for my previous SENS video to hear me talk more in detail about the company. Also, if you have anything you want me to cover, stocks or crypto related, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.